What if I told you our Milky Way is on a collision course with another galaxy? And guess what? It's not a matter of if, but when. Right now, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies are hurtling toward each other at an astonishing speed of 110 kilometers per second. But don't panic. This galactic showdown won't happen for another 4 to 5 billion years. When they do collide, it'll be nothing short of cosmic fireworks. Stars won't smash into each other directly. Instead, gravity will pull and warp them into breathtaking new shapes, forming a massive elliptical galaxy. Scientists already call it Milky. As this dance of destruction unfolds, gas clouds will collide, igniting bursts of new star formation. It's a dramatic rebirth, transforming chaos into creation. But for planets like Earth, it could be a wild ride. Our solar system might be flung into a new orbit, or even hurled out of the galaxy entirely. While this might sound terrifying, remember, the universe thrives on change. So, what does this tell us? The cosmos is far from static. It's alive with movement, collisions, and transformations. And maybe, just maybe, we're witnessing the birth of something extraordinary.